Hey guys, this is Alex. I'm 28 years old and I'm from far Rockaway, New York City, and I'm talking real far. So my question is, I got this buddy who's been using the Robinhood app, free stock trading and free transactions to make a lot of money. He's bought a lot of Facebook stock, he bought some stock in cannabis companies, and he's just made like 4 or 5 grand in the last year. The stock market's just on fire. And I'm thinking about trying to move a little closer into the city. Like I might want to make it to Rockaway, not even the far part. So I see this as a good way to make a little extra money on the side. And I'm thinking about taking about $1,000 and buying some stocks. So what do you think about that idea? And is this a good way to make some extra money on the side?
Alex's question reminds me of a lot of the talk I heard about Bitcoin. A lot of young people are claiming to make lots of money with Bitcoin. What do you think about this? What do you think about this approach?
Well, I think first of all, if he's going to do this, he's got to bolt down his chair so he's not moving when he's trading his stocks. But I would wish Alex and his buddy good luck. But trading stocks through the Robinhood app or anywhere else is a fool's errand. In the end, it's gambling. And it never ends well for people. If he wants to gamble, there's a beautiful new casino outside of Boston we know about. The drinks are free there. He'd be better off going there. It probably wouldn't cost him as much money. What Alex and his friend need to understand is that the stock market is efficient, which roughly means that not even the pros can beat the market averages. There's been research done on this for 50 years. Monkeys throwing darts at a dartboard do as well as the pros and cannot beat the stock market averages. What does Alex's friend have going for him that he thinks he can do better than the monkeys or the pros do? So I would reject all these crazy ideas. Your brother-in-law's new restaurant concept, the Bitcoin you raised, penny stocks, etc. They're all an illusion. They're all a fool's errand and a losing game. Instead, what would I do? I would tell Alex and his friend to put your money into boring and low-cost index funds and stay away from trading. Otherwise, Alex is never going to get out of far Rockaway.
Well, I'm surprised to hear you say that on one account because you're a former Wall Street trader. What about if you know the stocks? What if you're familiar with an industry? Why not trade stocks in that industry?
Trade what you know, as they say. The pros cannot beat the averages. For years and years, there's been research done. Wall Street professionals don't do better than the S&P 500. So why could Alex or his friend think they can do any better? They can't. The best thing is to invest in low-cost funds and take the average. You'll do better than most people.
So you're suggesting just put in an index fund, really boring strategy, and walk away from it?
Really boring, walk away, don't look, and in many years you'll be much better off than any of these other ideas.
Okay, another question.